Hi, I am Mikko Hanen, Solution Manager from Cassidian. I would like to introduce you a new product concept, Tetra in hearing protectors. This is not a commercial product yet. It is a demonstration which is used to collect feedback from the customers. Normally the Tetra users working in very noisy environment are using both the Tetra radio and the hearing protectors. In that case, these two equipment are then paired by a cable or by Bluetooth. In this concept, we are combining these two equipment. The concept has very minimal set of functions which are controlled by the buttons in the cups. The most important is the push to talk button for talking to a selected group. The talk group can be selected from the rotary knob. The volume is controlled from up and down buttons. Cassidian has voice feedback and fast menu functionalities in its Tetra radios. This makes it possible to use the menu functions and hear the response.
Scanning off. Direct mode.
The fast menu allows controlling of the key functionalities such as switching between direct mode and network mode or sending predefined status messages. The battery is charged from the plug at the bottom of the left cup. This concept offers a nice solution for Tetra users working in noisy environments. It combines the excellent Cassidian Tetra voice communication and the best-in-class noise attenuation by Silentex hearing protectors. All the key Tetra functions are used from the buttons on the cups, and the response is heard thanks to Cassidian's voice feedback function.